No, this is just not working. This is not good. It's not giving. It's just not. I don't know. Maybe it's not for me. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Since you guys liked my last video, I am back with another one. I am going to be following a Korean makeup tutorial by Anda, Daily Autumn Glam Makeup Tutorial, right here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please subscribe for your girl. Please stay and enjoy. She's looking really cute. Okay, first off, let me say this makeup looks so cute. It looks literally adorable, and I'm excited to see how it will look on me as a black person. I can't wait to try this. April Magic Snow Cushion. Okay, we're going to be using the cushion. Ta-da! I think that was a primer. That was actually the foundation. I realized it later on in the video. Sorry, you all. So I'm going to prime my skin. My primer isn't solid. Mine is really liquidy. So I don't know. I mostly use my hands for this, but let's just try. Here it goes. Actually, the puff is absorbing most of the product, so I'm just going to use my hands for this. Okay. Oh, she's going straight for contouring. This is very different from my normal makeup routine. I'll just go for my brows now, but since we are following a Korean makeup tutorial, let's just do it. I'm using my powder contour, this shade over here. So, and then next she contours her nose. Okay, then we do the chin. I don't know what that's supposed to do, but go this way. I can't see anything. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, now she's contouring under her eyes. Wait. Okay. Okay, then my face. Eyebrow. A regular pencil. I'll start by brushing my brows up. Okay, I want to copy her style of doing an eyebrow. I want to copy her eyebrows rather than mine. So I'm going to do my brows differently today. I'm going to be using my eyeshadow palette for this. Okay, I chose the darkest brown color, and I think she kind of went this way. I can't see the pigment. Oh my god, is it my palette or my skin? Okay, so I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. Okay, so looking back, I think she left a space between her lower eyelids to like make her eyes look bigger. I don't know, so I'm just going to try to do that, imitate that, because I want this makeup to look as close to this Korean makeup as possible. So I'm just going to wipe, and I will use a more defined brush for this. And for the eyeshadow, she used a darker shade on top and she later blended it with a lighter one. So I'm going to go back with my eyebrow pencil for the darker shade. I don't know, this is not going the way I expected it to go. I'm not loving it so far, but let's see if it turns out good. Okay, it goes underneath the eye.
Okay.
Mascara. So she used the brown mascara. I'm going to go for black because that's what I have. Let's try that. I changed my mind. The brown is not working for me, so I'm going to go with a black eyeliner pencil to do that. Actually, I'm going to use my eyeliner. Okay, so the highlighter goes under the eyes and in the inner corner. So I'm going to try and do that. Wait, we haven't put on foundation yet. No, this is just not working. This is not good. It's not giving. It's just not. I don't know. Maybe it's not for me. So I tried adding some glitter and it looks worse than before. I feel like I can't keep going, but I have to. For the sake of this video, I have to keep going. Blusher. Wait a minute. So she put on foundation in the beginning, not primer. That was the foundation. Oh. So I'll be using my Maybelline foundation for this. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the blush. I'm using a lipstick for this. And she used her finger to blend them in. Okay, that's done. So moving on. Because I think that's highlighter. On the chin. Just gonna use something really light. velvet lipstick. Oh, that's so pretty. I have my red lipstick here, so I'm going to apply that. So the Cupid's bow. And then she goes like So yeah guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it to the end. It really means a lot to me if you would subscribe and like this video, or you can send me a super chat, and I will see you in my next video.